We have one police constable by name Gauresh Naik, PCB 66336 from Valpoi, who is now posted in Porvoim police station, who seems to wield considerable influence or clout in the police place. He is believed by many to be the collection agent at police stations, and I don't know for whom he's collecting, whether it's for himself or is passing it down the line. I have his voice recordings where he's threatening somebody filed a complaint. Many people many complain anonymously because they're getting scared to come out openly. Huge file, I got all the copies, but I ignored these anonymous complaints, but the police must get up and realize why so many complaints are coming of various incidents. But I have a voice recording which has been shared where one lady head constable had filed a complaint and he is wanting her to withdraw, and he is threatening with such foul language that he will take care of her and he will sort her out after it. Now I want to show one thing, Honorable Speaker. This man, being a police constable, happens to be the son of a retired electricity driver of the electricity department. In his father's name, he bought a plot of land at measuring 363 square meters in 2024, where he purchased this plot of land bearing survey number 24/1-BH in Nanus Satari for a written down value of 7,26,000. Question becomes, when you are in police and now you want to put it in your father's name, the source of this money would have to be checked up. He has built a very beautiful bungalow which is worth crores of rupees. Honorable Speaker, please see this. This is worth crores of rupees. And in the second photograph, which is there at the back, you will see the interiors of that. The tiling work, the marble work, it will be worth another couple of crores. From where does a constable get money? From how is the department keeping quiet about it? And how is the department not knowing of these things? Recently also he purchased a vehicle, of course in his wife's name, and he has taken a loan for it. He's bought it under hypothecation. So this vehicle, I'm giving you the photograph of this. When he was transferred out of Valpoi police station, there were entire police station staff and other outposts celebrated by burning fireworks. It was reported in the media, but strangely some media personnel were being forced to take down these videos of celebration. I will just show this. And it says here, this move has brought immense relief to the police staff, leading to celebrations at both Valpoi and Honda police stations, where employees expressed their joy by bursting crackers. Unless there is some quid pro quo, unless somebody up or down that ladder is getting something from this man, I don't think otherwise the government and the DGP himself will be quiet about these kind of matters. I believe that the DGP and the IGP are very honest people and who would do their work, and I don't believe that they would participate in this.